Hello students, let us see example number 4.9. Two poles of heights A meter and B meter. You can see in the diagram there are two poles, one height is A meter, another one's height is B meter, and they are P meter apart. So AB is one pole, CD is another pole, the distance between them is what? P. Prove that the height of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the opposite pole. Suppose if you take AB's top, that is B, you join with the base, the foot of the other one, that is C. You join B and C, also you join what? A and D. Okay, so you have to join this C with what? B, also you join this D with what? A. So they are intersecting at some point, and that point we take it as say O. Now the question is that height they asked to find the height at O, the point of intersection. So at that point you find this height. Okay, so we take this as H, and they asked to prove this height is equal to AB by A plus B. So we have to find this H. Okay. So listen here. First I'll just explain to you very quickly for you to understand. Then I'll tell you for the examination how to write the steps. First we take this triangle ACD, this triangle. Okay. This triangle and this small triangle. Can you prove that two triangles are similar? One is triangle ACD, the left side one, the big one, and this small one. Okay. So the two triangles are similar. How you know that one? So this angle is 90, so this angle also 90. Angle A is common for both, so by AA similarity the two triangles are what? Similar. Then you can say the corresponding sides are proportional. So if I take small one H, the big one, the corresponding side is the height B, right? If I take base is LA, that you taken as Y. X and Y they didn't give, so we are introducing this X and Y. The final answer that X and Y should not come. But remember one thing, the full length, X plus Y is the entire length, it is what? P. Okay, so the distance between the two poles are P meter apart. So distance between the two poles is P, and that at L, the point of intersection, from that you drop a perpendicular, it meet at L. CL I am taking it as X, and LA I am taking it as Y. Okay, the two triangles are similar, so H by B is equal to, for small triangle the base is Y, so Y by, for the larger triangle the base is X plus Y, or you take it as P. From here you can find Y, so you are getting Y equal to, take this P there, PH by B, PH by B, take it as equation number 1. Now you go to the other end, that is you take this triangle. What's the name of the triangle? BAC, and this small triangle. Okay, so BAC, the big triangle, and OLC, the two triangles you take. Can you prove that two triangles are similar? Same reasons. See, this angle is 90, so this angle is also 90. This angle C is common. So that two triangles also what? Similar, so the corresponding sides are proportional. So if I take height, for small triangle I am taking H, by the big triangle the height is AB, that is A. For small triangle the base is XCL, that is X. For the big triangle the base means the full length, that is CA, it is X plus Y, or you can say P. From here you find X value. If I want X, take this P to that side, so you are getting PH by A. Take it as equation number 2. You add 1 and 2. If you add equation 1 and 2, Y plus X is equal to PH by B plus PH by A. See the left side, Y plus X. Y plus X means the full length, it is P, is equal to, the right side you take PH common, what you are getting? 1 by B plus 1 by A. Both the sides you can cancel this P. So you are getting 1 equal to H into, take LCM AB. So you are getting A plus B. So we want H. So keep this H here, this AB goes up and A plus B comes down. So H is equal to AB by A plus B. That's all, very simple one, right? So first we take one set of triangle ACD and ALO. We prove that two triangles are similar, corresponding sides proportional. From that you find y value. Then you take the other end, CAB. Inside there is another small triangle. That two triangles are similar, corresponding sides proportional. From that you find x value. Just add it. X plus y is what? P. Then you take PH outside, you simplify, you'll get the answer. But for the examination, you write the steps properly. That two triangles similar. How? Everything you have to mention. Okay, so please listen. So this is a fair diagram. So we take this part alone, DCA. That part alone you take. So the big triangle and this small triangle are similar. How? These two angles are 90 degree. Okay. ACD, this angle 90, this angle 90, and angle A is common for both. So by A similarity, the two triangles are similar. Corresponding sides are proportional. The steps you write. Actually, H by B, right, equal to Y by P. So from that you find Y value. Then you take the other part. So you take this triangle, right, and that small one. So that two triangles you take. Again by A similarity. So here this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, angle C is common, corresponding sides proportional. So the steps you have to write, okay? So you can find x value. Add both, y plus x is p, take ph common, you take LCM, then you change the position. H I want, so AB goes up, A plus B comes down. And this is, they asked to prove the height is equal to AB by A plus B. Hope you understood this one.